Hello, I'm Mako Ikeda. Yes. This time, I'll be showing you what I bought at 3COINS. This time, I bought mainly new products, including storage items and convenient goods. Again, there were stylish items and things I really wanted, so I'll introduce how to use them one by one. Okay, first, this is a hook tray with a magnet. This one is 700 yen. That was the product. Yes, here it is. As you can see, there are 3 hooks at the bottom and the top part is a tray. This comes in black and also in ivory. The front part is made of wood, and isn't this natural look just adorable? The product itself is really sturdy, and it feels quite solid and heavy when you hold it. The back is magnetic, so you can stick it onto a magnetic surface like your front door. With this, you can quickly hang your house keys when you get home, or easily use it for things like pens. You can keep items like your seal on the tray above, making it easy to find without wasting time searching. Even if your entryway space is limited, you can attach this to the door, so it's easy to create floating storage. It can hold around 1 kilogram, so you can hang several items on it. Alright, next is this magnetic multi-hook. This one is an 800 yen item. Yes, this is also from the same series as before, with a wooden bar attached to this black plate. The back is magnetic, so you can stick this to your entryway door as well. When you want to use it, just pull this part forward. It's pretty sturdy. Yes, like this, it's nice and wide here, so you could probably hang several umbrellas. The end is bent upwards, so whatever you hang won't fall off. No need to worry about things falling off. This part is all wood, so be careful not to get it wet if hanging umbrellas. This holds up to 2 kilograms, so you can hang bags or hats on it. Since it's wide, you could hang both at once. If you prepare your morning items and hang them here, they're ready when you leave. It's a spot you'll definitely look at before you go out, so you probably won't forget anything. And also, consider hanging eco bags by the entrance for easy access before heading out. When not in use, fold and store them to keep things tidy. Okay, next is this 2-way magnetic paper holder. This one is a 300 yen item. Okay, here's what's inside. I think this product has been on sale for a little while now, but I chose it because I thought it looked really cute. The round wooden part at the end is cute too, isn't it? And the back of this is also magnetic, so you can stick it anywhere in the kitchen where magnets work. You just slide the kitchen paper through, so it's easy to replace. You can use it either vertically or horizontally, so you can adjust it to fit your kitchen space. This is mainly sold as a kitchen item, but since it's magnetic, I think you could use it around the entryway too. The weight capacity is about 600 grams, so roughly a plastic bottle. It can hold about the weight of 1 bottle. Next, here's another item that looks really useful. This is a laundry net for caps, to prevent them from losing their shape. Wow, this costs 300 yens, 18 Losia bunch. Okay, here's what's inside. The fabric is similar to laundry nets, but thicker and the shape is mostly set. It's shaped like a hat, pretty much. I think a lot of people hand wash their caps, but with this, you just put the cap inside and then, just like this, you can wash it in the washing machine. I think a lot of people worry about hats losing their shape when washed in the machine, but since this is already shaped like a hat, I think you can wash it while keeping its form. Yes, when you open it, you can open it from the brim side. It opens up pretty wide. You just set the hat inside and put it straight into the washing machine. It's designed to fit various types of hats, so I think you can put in not just caps, but other hats as well. Compared to the typical cap holders, this one is a bit larger. With this, it seems like the cap won't move around much inside, and it should also help prevent rubbing against other items or color transfer. However, this one doesn't have any hard inserts or anything, so if it hits other laundry with something hard, the impact will go straight through. The material is somewhat thick and cushioned, though. For example, if you stuff too much laundry in, the pressure from that could be directly applied. So I think you should be careful about that. I wondered if you could tell by wearing it, so I tried putting it on once. And when I wear it like this, well, the brim is pretty long, and there's quite a bit of room around the head, so it's fairly big. I thought maybe you could get a sense of the size. So, if it's a hat for a child, it might not be much different from just putting it in a regular laundry net. I'll try putting it in, and see how it goes. I'll try out the size and looseness a little later. Alright, next is this folding door hook hanger. This one is a 300 yen item. Here is the main body. You just hang it on the door hook and that's it. Fold down the front part, and you can hang your hangers on these notched sections to dry your clothes. With the rainy season approaching, you'll likely need to dry clothes indoors more often. This lets you add hanging space even in tight areas by hooking it onto any door, like your closet. It's also useful for small items. It's convenient since you can hang shirts, outerwear, or any clothes you need to hang temporarily. Items are sometimes sold at 100 yen shops, but still, 3COINS sells them for 300 yen, and the quality is solid. They feel heavy in your hand. I like this simple design. The color is light gray, so it blends in with any room. There are 5 hooks here and each one can hold up to 1 kilogram, so together they can hold up to 5 kilograms. You can also use this. When not in use, fold it up like this and store it. Just so you know, the inside of the hook part has sponges on both sides, so there's less worry about scratching your door. If the width is a bit loose, you can add some sponge you have at home to make it thicker, and it will be fixed more securely. Alright, lastly, here it is. It's a set of 2 shoe drying plates. This is a 300 yen product. Here it is. It's made of diatomaceous earth, and just by putting it inside your shoes, it helps with dehumidifying and deodorizing. They're insole-shaped plates. The surface is really smooth, and there's a logo as a point detail underneath. There's also a strap attached on top. Since there's a strap attached, you can hang them up for storage or to dry when you're not using them. This is the regular size, but they also sell an S size, so I think they can be used for children's shoes as well. All you have to do is put them inside your shoes, so it's really easy to use. From now on, shoes can get wet from the rain, and as it gets hotter, your feet might sweat more easily. But just by putting these in, you can reduce the humidity and odor in your shoes, so it's really helpful to be able to take care of them so easily. Especially for people who often wear rain boots, doesn't the heat tend to get trapped inside and not escape easily? In those situations, I think putting these in will help regulate the humidity better and dry them faster than just air drying. But if you feel like the absorbency is starting to decrease a bit, you can just lightly sand the surface with sandpaper and use them again and again. So once you buy them, you can use them for a long time, which is really convenient. I think this isn't just useful for the coming season, but also in winter when the inside of your boots can get wet. So having one of these will definitely come in handy. Today, I shared items from 3COINS that help you store things stylishly and will be useful this season. Some items might interest you, so feel free to try them. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. This was Mako Ikeda. Bye-bye!